Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair review on this hair company called LOLLYHAIR. Let me get the box. So this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna insert a picture up here so you can see it properly. So I'm just going to show you what I did to install these curls, how I got my lace to lay flat and kind of like achieve just like the baby hairs in this overall look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay guys, what you want to start off by doing is using Got to Be Glued freezing spray to spray along your hairline. This will make sure that it will stick and it will be firm. Now you want to aim to make sure that it's kind of closer to your skin tone, but I only did a small section because I knew that this was a closure and not a frontal. Okay, now I'm using my blow dryer to dry this and make sure it's hardened enough for the cutting process. So now that it's all dry, I'm literally just taking tweezers and cutting the bit that I didn't glue. I'm making sure I get it as close to the glue as possible so that it's a smoother transition from my skin and to now the blow dryer works really well. As you can see, it don't come off. Okay, now it's time to do the edges, and I'm just taking a small section of the hairs at the front, and then I'm gonna create the baby hairs with a swoop motion. So just kind of like little C's, just little swoops. And that's that completely done. And I'm gonna lay this using my scarf for a few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be done. Okay, and this is what it looks like dried. Everything is stuck down. I just absolutely love how it looks so natural, how the colors all blend in, like the wig cap to my skin, and yeah. However, I wanted to go in with the extra step and apply powder onto just a bit of the lace because I didn't bleach it, so I just wanted to just add it to a bit of the knots that were coming through. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I do to style this wig when I do a side part and when I do a middle part. So this is the middle part section, and I'm just showing you what steps I take to achieve the look that you saw on the intro, and obviously the side part also. Okay, so this is the final look after I've curled the wig, done my middle part, and styled it.